A lot of you know me as Sis Donut Forge or Monica Duncan, married to the Spiegel Donut Forge, James Duncan. And I decided to try something a little different on my channel until I can get my forge underway. It's called roasted seaweed. And I've already opened it just to smell it. It smells like fish. So we're going to try it to see what it tastes like. So that's what it looks like. Oh, smells bad, but I'm gonna go for it. Okay, hold on. Okay. Not the greatest of flavor. It does taste like fish. So, if you're brave enough, go for it. But I'm not sure if I can eat the rest of these because it's several sheets of it. So, good luck if you want to try it.